I look back on our Citizens' Assembly with huge pride. I'm proud we held the biggest regional Citizens' Assembly in the whole of the UK. I'm proud we were able to bring together such wide-ranging perspectives from across South Yorkshire. And I'm proud that the recommendations that the participants agreed on are ambitious, thoughtful, and far-reaching. But I'm also hugely optimistic because of that Citizens' Assembly. Because here in South Yorkshire, we're doing politics and making decisions differently. That is, in a way that challenges all of us to think and act differently. These postcards, from which the 14 recommendations were distilled, represent a different way of thinking about probably the biggest single issue we face: how we tackle climate change and create a South Yorkshire that's fit for the future. My commitment is to lead that work and to keep working with all of our communities to build that better South Yorkshire.